Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix account not found on TikTok on any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or any Android or you are having an issue that your TikTok account has not found, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. If you're trying to open anyone's account and you will getting this type issue, so let's see how can you easily fix that. First of all, you just have to go back and here you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection because sometimes it might be that your internet is not stable or is weak, so you can get these type issues. So you must have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection here, and then you have to make a setup. You just have to simply open up your settings, then go for general, and here you have to go for this VPN and device management. You have to make sure that your phone is not connected to any VPN, or you have to try to update your TikTok app. Open up your App Store or Play Store, and you have to simply search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available on your TikTok app, or if you have any update you have to try to update your app. Once you have updated it, almost fix your issue, or if it doesn't, so let's see that how can you easily fix. So basically, sometimes if any person has been blocked you on TikTok, so you can get a this type issue that account not found or no post on your TikTok. So basically it means that the person has been blocked you. So that's why you can get this type issue on your TikTok, or sometimes it might be there will be any network issue. So you must have to first check your internet connection, then you have to select that the person has blocked you, or if there is any network issue, or you can try to clear the cache files of your TikTok app. So open up your TikTok, and here just tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, and here you have to make sure that you have logged in with your account. And here you have to simply tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap on three dots in the top right corner, go for settings and privacy from here, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the free up space option. Simply tap on it and you will get the cache option. You must have to tap on this clear, then tap on it again. It will clear if there will be any bug or the cache files into your TikTok app. So if sometimes it might be that there will be any bug, so you can easily clear all the bugs with this method. So that's how you can easily fix if you're having the same issue that your TikTok account has not found. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.